Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Hello guys, Scotland, thank you for having us today. That was a boom. Okay. Hello everyone. Scotland, thank you for having us. It was an awesome evening. It was a powerful evening. We love you guys. Yeah, look at my people. I love you guys. It was a wonderful evening. Sorry, we could not go live because of the hall. The network there is so bad. We tried the network, could not connect. We also tried I use Vodafone network, the same thing, we could not connect. In fact, we tried different network. People just coming in and out. So I said, okay, to make it more easy, I think I should just do normal video, then which we will start posting from tomorrow. Sorry that we could not allow you guys to join us in the groove, the millennial groove. That's a millennial groove.
It was a millennial.
Yes. The story concert. I love you guys. We're so sorry that we could not go live so that you can join us in that group. Yeah, we finished. We are on our way back. It was a very good fact. When I upload the video, you will see. And just want you guys to wave to them and thank Scotland and everybody. Scotland, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I love you.
Let's go. Respect.
Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So London City. London City. We're coming full force on the 10th. Saturday, Leeds. On the 11th, we're coming full force. And Sunday, Manchester City. We're coming full force for you guys. We were told by our sponsor over there that they're thinking of getting on that hall that will contain 100 tables. The second hall is being sold out, and a lot of people are coming from Liverpool and other nearby cities. So we don't know if we are going to change Manchester for the third time. We will let you guys know by Tuesday. But for now, we are still using that same Iba hall. But if you are changing it by Wednesday, before Wednesday, we'll let you guys know. Love you guys. London, Manchester, Leeds, Scotland, Birmingham, and Wolverhampton. We love you guys. We're gonna wait back to London. See you guys, and God bless. Bye.
Say a prayer for the boys, okay? Because they've done amazingly well. So keep praying for them. They've got another weekend planned next week. Please pray for them without ceasing throughout the week. They really need it, okay? Pray for strength, that they'll be in good health so that they can give the best of their performance and that they'll stay united, okay? Glasgow, you guys are just...
In a quarter of a mile, keep right to stay on M8.
Sorry, guys. You guys really turned up massive, so we're really grateful. My people in London, hey! Honestly, I just can't wait for you guys. These guys are so good. I'm not even boasting. They are really good. They are tight. Birmingham, I mean, I thought we gave you 100%.
Keep right to stay on
Glasgow today, that's like 100%. 100%. Better than 100% that we give you, Birmingham. So I don't know, London, you guys, they're gonna give you guys.
Continue on M8.
I am sure of these boys. I'm not lying. They don't. Oh my God! If you're not there, you're going to miss out. That's why we're trying so hard to accommodate all of you. We're really trying. So by Monday or Tuesday, we'll have an update because there are tables who are waiting for us to respond to them. So by Monday, once we get, well, Monday's like tomorrow, right? Yeah, so Monday or latest Tuesday, we'll have a date to see how we can accommodate a few more of you in the hall, and we'll let you know. So stay glued to the page for any updates, okay? We really, really, really love you, and we can't wait to see you. If you can't make it to London, you've still got an opportunity to catch us in Leeds and also Manchester. So make it a date to catch us at one of the venues. We love you guys with all our heart, and thank you for sticking with us. Stay safe, guys. Till next time. Bye.